Welcome to today's math class. The question before us here is m to the power of m equal to 365. Okay, so how do we find the solution to this math challenge? The first thing we'll do here is to take our solution. First things first. So from our solution, the question, we have m to the power of m equals to 365, right? So let's do some crazy substitution here. Look at what I want to do here, and I'm going to say here, let's use let p be equal to m to the power of 365. So if p is equal to this, then for us to get m, then this will now give us here bracket our m to the power of 365 close bracket to the power of 1 all over 365, okay, which is equals to p to the power of 1 all over 365 also, right? So therefore we now have our m from here will now be equal to p to the power of 1 all over 365. Okay, so now we have expression for our m and we have our expression for our p. So we can now have this to be our m to the power of m to the power of 365 equal to p. Okay, let's put this in bracket to the power of 1 all over 365 close bracket, all raised to let's put another bracket, p to the power of 365, okay, close bracket, all raised to 365. Any confusion here? So we can now have this to be m to the power of m all to the power of 365 will now be equal to 365. So if we're having this equal to this and this is equal to this, so we can express the whole of this equal to this. And again, this and this will leave the system. And so we are now having our expression, or this now implies that our p bracket 1 all over 365, right, all to the power of p is equal to 365. So let's multiply this with the power here. So we're going to have here our p to the power of p all over 365 is equal to 365. I want to raise both sides of the equation to 365. So if I do that, I'm going to come up with p, okay, all raised to p all over 365 all to the power of 365 is equal to 365 to the power of 365. Okay, so let's continue again, and you discover that this and this will leave the system. So we'll now have a p to the power of p is equal to 365 all to the power of 365. Therefore, since the bases are the same, we can equate the exponent. So it also means that our p is equal to 365. Okay, but remember we said let p be equal to m to the power of 365. Remember that? This expression we have here now. Okay, so we can now say here, recall that we said p is equal to m to the power of 365. So if we substitute again, so we're going to have our m to the power of 365 close bracket all to the power of 1 all over 365 equal to 365 to the power of 1 all over 365. Any confusion here? No. So again, this and this will leave. So we have this leaves. So we are left with what? Our m. So we have our m is equal to 365, right, to the power of 1 all over 365. So this is the value of m that will satisfy this equation. This is our original equation here. Okay, bye for now.